2 blocks.
Make it so our will go up here to go there.
Blocks. The shape on the block. Block.
Block.
Beautiful.
So now I have a road for our cars.
Cool. Keep working. Ask Lauren to help you.
Sweet pizza.
So I need a big wrapping press. For the road for the car would be a padding for our car. So I need these for our padding for our back. So I need all those for padding.
Make it sandwich.
Yeah, I
Make
need
it sandwich. Make it
And
sandwich.
put